Clubhouse is so hot right now, so let's talk about search engine optimization for the Clubhouse app. Now, I know what you're thinking, is Clubhouse a search engine? Well, it has a search feature, which means that there is an opportunity for you to be found in search results if you know how to optimize your profile. So let's take a look here. So you'll notice right off the bat that on the homepage you have that search button. And what I'm going to do is just demonstrate what it means to get found on a search by typing the word hummingbird in, which is a fairly unusual word. And you can see that my profile for that keyword is not being found right now. So as a test, I'm going to go ahead and put that keyword into my bio on Clubhouse at the very bottom of my bio. So I'll scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to type in the word hummingbird, and then I'm going to go back and search again and see if I can be found for that keyword. And hopefully this is a good test to see how the ranking system works. So if I type in hummingbird again to the search, we'll see if I am showing up in those search results now. So scroll down, and there I am, about the 20th, 21st result. Now, here's the most interesting test that I wanted to do. If I changed the position of the keyword, what happens? So if I move the word hummingbird to the beginning of my bio, the very first word, do I appear higher in search results? So let's edit this and go back on to the search section. Gonna have to clear this and do it one more time. All right, and there I am. I'm now at number 6, the 6th search result for hummingbird because I put the keyword at the beginning of my profile instead of the end. Now, there's some people talking about Clubhouse SEO and saying that if you don't have a keyword in the first 3 lines, that it's not going to be influencing search results. And that's not true. You can put the keyword any place in your bio and you will be found in that search algorithm. But it is true that the closer it is to the beginning of your bio, the higher up you will appear. And I have a feeling that another thing that's an influence here is the how many followers you have, things like that. That's something that I don't know. So we'd have to wait and see if Clubhouse will come back and give some more information about how their algorithm works, how they rank people, and things like that. But this is a good start for you. Put keywords that people are searching for in your bio on Clubhouse, put the most important ones at the top, and see if that is going to help improve your SEO on Clubhouse.